Hey guys, what's up? Today we have handcuffs. These are extra mark. Mascot number 21358. It says with 2 deluxe keys and ring. Special polish finish. Look at some instructions to lock and to unlock. And they are pretty cool handcuffs. They are nice. These are easily and pretty heavy handcuffs. These are special keys. Special keys. I don't know if it's who. They'll safety lock. So, and these tonsils suck. These will not go inside. So you must hold your wrist. Key works great on these. They are definitely polished. See, unlock, lock, unlock. Let's check a other one up. Lock position. That's unlocked. Please solid the whole pill extra number 2 These will come on little. Pick it up.